Once upon a time, in a small town nestled between rolling hills and lush green fields, stood a little library that was the heart of its community. This was no ordinary library, though. It was a magical place filled with hidden treasures just waiting to be discovered by curious minds of all ages. At the heart of this library was an incredible collection of books. Every book on its shelves was like a ticket to an exciting adventure. Some books invited readers to travel back in time to ancient lands, while others encouraged them to journey far out into the vastness of space. There were stories about courageous heroes, fascinating creatures, and amazing facts about the world we live in. But what made this library truly special was not just its books. It was the dedication and warmth of those who worked within its walls. The librarians, kind and wise, were always ready to greet visitors with a smile. They knew how to find the perfect book for anyone, from the youngest of children to the wisest of elders, and they loved watching imaginations light up as stories unfolded. This little library had a unique way of bringing people together. You see, it also served as a meeting spot where families and friends gathered. Storytime sessions were eagerly awaited events, full of lively readings and endless giggles. Workshops for budding artists and aspiring writers were often held there too, helping to uncover talents that might have otherwise remained hidden. One of the most wonderful events was the annual book fair. During this magical time, the library buzzed with energy as authors and storytellers shared their tales with wide-eyed audiences. Through these events, the library helped strengthen bonds in the community, turning neighbors into friends and bringing experienced readers together with those just beginning their literary journeys. The library was also a place of learning and empowerment. It held resources beyond books, computers for research, classes on subjects ranging from science to the arts, and clubs where different generations came together to discuss ideas. The library helped encourage the love of learning and the importance of education, reminding everyone that knowledge is a journey that lasts a lifetime. And so, the little library with its big heart pushed boundaries and built bridges, not just with books, but between people. It taught the town how stories could connect us, no matter how different we might seem. It allowed everyone to explore other perspectives and broaden their horizons, making the world feel a little smaller and a lot friendlier. In the end, this library wasn't just a building filled with books. It was a beacon of community spirit and imagination. It showed how a simple place could transform lives, making dreams a reality. And that was truly magical. It reminded us all of the power of stories and the courage to open ourselves up to new worlds. Whether it was a young child discovering their first book or an adult finding solace in reading, this library was proof that the world is brimming with possibilities, just waiting to be explored in the pages of a book. And so, the tale of the little library that could continues, inspiring generation after generation to find joy and friendship through the rich world of books.